On this episode of Lifepothesis...
Pew, pew, bomb.
Nice.
Hi, we're Becky and Austin.
We spent 4 months and $8,000 turning this empty shell into a home equipped for full-time living.
We're going to show you how. Welcome to Lifepothesis.
And here it is, the single greatest money saver on this entire van build. Our windows. They were cheap, and they were cheap for a reason. See that blue painter's tape? That's covering broken glass from a bullet hole. We pulled them from a junkyard in Trenton, New Jersey, and after a bit of haggling, we managed to get them for $25 each. Not bad considering the professional aftermarket windows go for about $800. A few minor repairs later, and they were good to go. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified every time we drop a new van build video showing you how we converted this van for less than $8,000. The first thing we did was mark out the usable area within the structural ribbing on the walls of the van. Then we cut out a piece of cardboard in the shape of the window so we could figure out the best way to position it. The windows we found were never meant to go on a Sprinter, so positioning them took a little trial and error. Denting the metal keeps the drill bit from moving around while you're drilling your pilot holes. Don't forget to clean off any metal shavings left behind. If you don't, they'll rust. Filing and painting the raw edges left over will help prevent corrosion.
Nice.
What a photo op. Holy cow.
The initial fit test was a success. Now we had to brainstorm ways that we could actually secure the windows to the sheet metal. I elected to use a drill press to drill holes in the aluminum window flange, then secure the windows using a combination of sheet metal screws and silicone.
Pew, pew, bomb.
I put a rubber spacer over the drill bit to prevent the drill chuck from scuffing up the window flange when it broke through. We tightened the screws until the silicone started to squeeze out, let it dry, and then went back later for the final torque down. This method caused some rippling in the sheet metal, but it was only noticeable if you were looking for it. Click here to find out what kind of insulation we chose for our van.